Hey guys, Nate here with Restoration Made Simple. Have you ever asked yourself the question, should I be using the same sales pitch that I use with an insurance agent as I would with a plumber? Or maybe a property manager using the same pitch as you would with an insurance agent? Or maybe you've asked yourself the question, what do I do with my online marketing? I want to share some tips and strategies with you that I've used to help build a company that was over $13 million in revenue. A lot of us, unfortunately, have these questions and don't know exactly what to do or how to create a target marketing plan for each one of these verticals. In this course, we're going to talk about how you can create a strategy for each one of them that's going to help you get your foot in the door with more of your clients. You're going to find greater success and you're going to be able to increase your sales and profitability. If you want to increase sales, this is definitely the program for you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me directly. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have.